This job is for Cloud Systems Administrator at SAS in Sydney, New South Wales, Australia. This is a hybrid full-time and mid-senior level role. As a Cloud Systems Administrator, you will be responsible for administration, maintenance, and installation of SAS enterprise software and solutions. You will be providing pre and post implementation documentation. You will be engineering solutions to ensure scalability and reliability. You will be required to integrate SS software with systems and other third-party softwares. You will also engineer application implementations based on requirements and sizing assessments. You will be required to configure, manage, monitor, and debug mid-tier software such as TC Server, JBoss. You will be developing tools and software to manage SAS and third-party software. You will also be required for this role to diagnose, document, report, and resolve system problems. You will be working directly with external customers and interface with other support teams and vendors. Also required is that you will be on call rotation 24/7 and 365 days a year. They are also requiring more than 2 years of technical experience, including at least two of the four things that I'm going to mention now. First thing is more than 1 year of experience in enterprise platform support. Secondly, more than 1 years of experience in system support, user support, customer support, consulting, or training for enterprise class software and or hardware. Thirdly, 1 year or more experience in cloud implementation or migration projects. And fourth and last thing, more than 1 years of experience with Unix or Linux supporting enterprise class applications, and that is a strong preference. So if you have at least two of these things that I've mentioned, two of these four things, that's what their requirements at the moment for this job. Also, the candidates who has Python, Ansible for automation, Kubernetes scripting experience will be highly preferred. Also, preferences for candidates who can program using who can do programming in their company in SAS, who can deploy and manage Java EE web applications, Java or web development experience if they have, and also if they have the ability to travel up to 10% of the time. A strong preference for a candidate having bachelor's degree in a quantitative field, preferably computer science, information technology, or any other related field. Additional skill sets and abilities that will be helpful is an understanding of security, performance, server design, cross-platform architectures, SaaS products, SaaS solutions, storage, networking, and enterprise hardware. Proficiency with Linux system administration tasks, including configuration, troubleshooting, and automation. So, sorry. Also, it will be great if you have excellent written and oral communication skills and ability to work well within internal and external customers. If you have strong analytic, inductive, and deductive reasoning skills, that's highly beneficial. So if you are interested in this role, please apply from SAS Australia's website and apply on the job for Cloud Systems Administrator. Thank you.